Welcome to this technical guide on the HP 14 FM. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If you're experiencing a cracked screen on your HP 14 FM, you're not alone. This type of damage often occurs due to accidental drops or impacts, leaving your screen unusable and making it difficult to operate your device. If the screen is not repaired promptly, you risk further damage to the internal components, which can lead to more expensive repairs down the line. For this repair, you will need a few essential tools. Make sure you have a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic opening tool, a suction cup, and a new replacement screen specifically designed for the HP 14 FM. Now, let's dive into the repair process. First, power off your laptop completely and unplug it from any power source. Next, use the Phillips screwdriver to remove the screws from the back panel of the HP 14 FM. Be careful to keep track of these screws as they will need to be replaced later. Once all screws are removed, gently use the plastic opening tool to pry open the back panel. Take your time with this step to avoid damaging any clips. After you've successfully opened the back panel, locate the screen connector. This is usually found near the hinge area of the laptop. Carefully disconnect the cable by pulling it gently away from the connector. Now, you will find the screen itself secured by additional screws. Remove these screws with the Phillips screwdriver, ensuring you remember their position for reinstallation. Once the screws are out, use the suction cup to gently lift the screen away from the bezel. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. With the old screen removed, take your new replacement screen and align it precisely in the same position as the old one. Secure it with the screws you previously removed. Reconnect the cable carefully, ensuring it is firmly in place. Now, it's time to replace the back panel. Align it properly and gently press down until you hear the clips snap into place. Finally, reinsert the screws to secure the back panel. Once everything is tightened and in place, power on your HP 14 FM to check if the new screen is functioning correctly. If everything looks good, you've successfully replaced the screen. To prevent future screen damage, consider using a sturdy protective case for your laptop and always be mindful of where you place it. Avoid putting it in precarious positions where it could easily fall. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.